Hello learners, through this video we will learn dynamic sorting. For dynamic sorting, I have to use the function sort. So if I write is equal to sort in Excel, you can see the function isn't valid because sort function is available in Office 365 only. So for doing the same thing, I can use Google Sheets because Google Sheet have this inbuilt function. So if I write is equal to sort and choose my range, you can see my data is sorted. And if I change any value here, my data will get sorted accordingly. Here, I can use new values also, or I can change the older values like this. If I write 2 here, 2, you can see 2 is the first value in the sorted column. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.